Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a 562 XP stock chainsaw with stock exhaust. I made a limited edition of the Chainsaw Guys Buckshot mufflers. They are ported mufflers, and we'll put it on this stock saw and you'll notice the difference in the performance. And this is the same chainsaw with the Buckshot Power Boost muffler on it. When these are tuned properly, it definitely increases the performance of the saw. Again, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. I made a limited edition of these. And if you will text or email me, right there, I will get back with you while I have a limited supply and get one of these in your hands. I'll fire that up now and let you listen to it. Again, I'm not taking phone calls, but there is the email address. If you would like to get your hands on one of these, there's a very limited edition of them, and they will be sold first come.